Hey, Tammy here. Thought I'd show you what we had crop up after the snowstorm the other day. We had one little chick that a hen was sitting on the egg and she hatched it out and then she abandoned it. My old man found him out walking around. And then today, about 2 days later, we had, I think there is 12 more that are with the hen, so he grabbed one from it and put it in with this one because this one's been in with us for 3 days now, so no mama's going to take it back. They'll just end up killing it. Well, this is the sound of spring here in Maine. Should have quite a few. These are bantams. We absolutely love bantams here. They're the best bug pickers that we have, with the abundance of ticks and I don't know, tons of other little creepy crawlies out there that we really don't like that carry different types of diseases, and even flying ones, mosquitoes and such. The bantams tend to eat all those, and it really does them good. So, whoops, it looks like this little guy might have something wrong with his foot. You okay? Aw. Well, I guess I'm going to end this video and tend to this little chick because it doesn't seem like it's doing real well. Doesn't want to stand up. A little wobbly. Alright guys, I hope everybody's having a great day. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up. I appreciate it. Have a great day.